I chose to look the other way. I could have saved a life that day, but I chose to look the other way. It wasn't that I didn't care. I had the time. I was there. But I didn't want to seem a fool or argue over a safety rule. I knew he had done the job before. If I spoke up, he might get sore. The chances didn't seem that bad. I had done the same. He knew I had. So I shook my head and walked by. He knew the risk as well as I. He took the chance. I closed an eye. And with that act, I let him die. I could have saved a life that day, but I chose to look the other way. If you see a risk and walk away, then hope you never have to say, I could have saved a life that day, but I chose to look the other way.